This video will show you how to change your current terminal shell to use a bash terminal shell. Now, if you're already using Max, then you're probably using bash. One thing I did is I'm currently working in a folder, which you could just do an add folder to workspace. This is my current sample code folder I've been using. Click on the terminal window, new terminal. This says it's currently using the CMD shell. Notice it's the regular command line shell that you're used to seeing in Windows prompts where you have the drive and folders. You could actually click on the down arrow and choose Select Default Shell. Here's the default command shell Windows prompt. Here's the Windows PowerShell, which is the new and improved command shell. Or here is Get Bash, which is what we want to use. Click Get Bash. And then you think, wait a minute, nothing's happened. That's because you need to close the current terminal. So we kill it and then go back to terminal and choose new terminal. Now I see a $sign. This is the common bash shell. I can type in commands now that you learned in table 13.2 in chapter 13, such as ls, which says give me a directory of all the files. ls-l, give me that directory, but give me the long directory, meaning show me the date, timestamps, show me permissions. These are executable permissions, such as read, write, execute. And you can actually control all that in bash. Who can do what with your file? You can type the df command. df says what's the size, how much space has been used, and what's the available space on the different hard drives. You could do a diff. You could do a make directory like mkdir space test. That makes a brand new directory, cd space test. That moves into that directory, as you can tell from the prompt. Or a cd space ... which says move up one directory. Now we're back in sample code. You could do a ping statement. Ping, spelled correctly, ping 192.168.1.1. And that says, do we have a network connectivity with that specific IP address? You could do pwd, which says what is the current working directory. You can remove a directory, rmdir space test. The test directory is now gone. You could type who am I? And that says who's logged into your system. And clear to clear your commands. And then you can use up arrows and down arrows to see the history of the commands. And then when you're all done, you can either click the garbage can to kill or type in exit. And that will get you out of that bash terminal window. So now, anytime we do a new terminal, we're going to use bash.